Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from HL Hobby Lobby, and these are some clearance items that I got. And you know, you always gotta get 40% off. These were regular price though. These were some stamp sets, and I need to double check because one of these I think I have, but this one is, these are all by Memento. So this says best smile, friends, love forever, happy, true, birthday together, memories and friendship. So this is 16 pieces. So you've probably seen that stamp set. And this one is a 23 piece, and it says sweet baby of mine, face baby, our beautiful, simple, simply adorable, too cute. I will love as a button you forever and always joy. You bring such bundle love. I read them out of order, but you know, you get the gist of what I'm saying. Sorry about the glare because they're still in the package. Okay, there we go. It's too close. So different fonts. The last one is 21 pieces, and this one, again, they're all $5.99. My family, always happy, so happy, is everything, love one another, together, you, fun, hearts, I love, us, all our blessings, cherish, and family. Okay, and this is the fusible fringe, and it's 16.5 feet, and it's normally $5, and it was on sale for 64 cents, and it is gold, and this goes with the fuse gun, so yay for 64 cents, because I bought this before for like $2, I think. Picked up a couple cartridges, and thanks Nilda, she's one of my faithful viewers. She sent me a text message to show me that she got a whole bunch of cartridges for sale. Let me see if I still have that text message, but she had sent me a pictures, and it took me a while to get over to Hobby Lobby. I'm so mad because by the time I got there, most of all the cartridges were gone, although most of the ones they had were duplicates of ones that I already own. Still, you know, just even to get one for that price was a good deal. I don't still have the pictures, but anyway, this is, I didn't have this one, everyday fonts, and this is 700 images, and so it has, I believe when I looked at it, I think it was like, yep, 7 font set, 7 fonts, 100 each, $4.32. Okay, that's like ridiculously priced. $4.32 to own a cartridge with 700 images. Resize them any size you want, cut them out. So that's everyday fonts. Yay. Didn't have that one, and I didn't have this one, which is extreme font. So that was everyday. Now this is extreme, and this has a picture on the back of some of those fonts. Yay. And this one has 700 too, right? Pretty sure. Yep, this one has 700 images as well. So 7 fonts as well. $4.32 at Hobby Lobby. So if you can go over there and find any, and get them while you can. Now I already own this, but one of my girlfriends, her grandson, he's little, so I texted her, she didn't text me back, but I'm giving this to her. This is $4.32. I already own this one. I got it from Tuesday morning for $12.99. And this is Sesame Street Celebrations, $4.32, and it has over 100 layered items, single layered items, and fun phrases, gift tags, cupcake toppers, plus the Elmo font. Wow, $4.32. And this was another one, even though her grandson just turned 3. I have this for myself as well. Sports Mania. I don't think she owns these 2 cartridges, but if she does, guess what? That means I will give it away. It'll be going in one of my hauls whenever I get something away to somebody. So this one is the Sports Mania. It has a lot of different sports I have on this cartridge, and this one has over 700 images on it. $4.32. Sports Mania. It has hockey, track, football, basketball, cheerleading, swimming, golfing. I mean, it has basketball, baseball, yeah, pretty much everything. If you got kids in sports, great. This also is on clearance, $4.31. That's why I got it. It was $20. And this is the S4746, and it's called Detailed. It's called Ray of Light by Seth Apter. So that's what made me get that. It's a 2-piece set. And then last but not least, I got this with the 40% off coupon. They were $9.99. So I got it for $6. This has 4 dies, 1 embossing folder, and this is one of those cut and emboss at the same time. Oh, let me show it to you. So you can make a shaker out of it. Sorry it's in the glare, but that is the coffee mug. It also is an embossing folder. So that's one of those impresslets. Open it up. We had a couple other designs which I will go back and get, but Hobby Lobby is not close to my home. It's 45 minutes away, just like AC Moore is. So I have to, you know, get what I'm gonna get while I'm there, because I don't go there that often. So usually I'm gonna use 1 coupon per trip if I don't have anybody with me. But anyway, so all this would be embossed. This would be cut off. The steam would be there, and then these are the extra elements that you can use as far as the dies. And this says thanks a latte, and then you have all these little other stuff like leaves, a small miniature cup of pumpkin, all that kind of stuff, and the lid. So can't wait to play with that. And like I said, they had some other designs which I posted on my Instagram, Instagram DaretoBeCreative one. So anyway, thanks for liking, thanks for subbing, thanks for taking the time to leave a comment, and you guys have a wonderful day, and I dare you to be creative. Bye bye.